Welcome to chemistry classes. We are in the chapter periodic table. In this session 9. In this session, we are going to introduce the remaining periodic properties and also will discuss the new concept, that is diagonal relationship. Our aim is to introduce diagonal relationship between the elements. Another one is discuss about the diagonal relationship between the elements. Now, the first one is metallic and non-metallic characters of elements. That means some metals are in the periodic table and some non-metals also in periodic table. That means how these elements are differentiated into metals and non-metals. We already discussed the elements which are having to lose their electrons, those are comes under metallic characters or metals. That means the elements which are having electropositive character, those are metals. How this metallic character varies in periods and groups. Here metallic character of elements is because of losing of electrons. In a period, that metallic character will decrease from left to right, because as it moves from left to right in a period, the atomic size will decrease, so the electropositivity will decrease. When the electropositivity will decrease, the losing of electrons will decrease, so metallic character will decrease. That means in a period, metallic character of elements will decrease from left to right. Take a simple example. For first group and second group elements have ability to lose the electrons, because by losing the one electron by the group 1 element, they get inert gas configuration. By losing 2 electrons, group 2 elements get inert gas configuration. So they are ready to lose the electrons. But keep on going from left to right in periods, the losing capacity of electrons by the elements will decrease. So the metallic character or electropositive character will decrease. Then what about the non-metallic nature or non-metallic character? Non-metallic character is nothing but acceptance capacity of electrons, that is increases from left to right in the periods. That means non-metallic character of elements will increase from left to right in the periods. Then what about in groups? In a groups, when we move from top to bottom, the atomic size is increases. When the atomic size is increases, the metallic nature or the losing capacity of electrons by elements in a group is increases. When the losing capacity of electrons is increases, the metallic nature of elements is increases. So in a group, the metallic character is increases from top to bottom. In a group, metallic character is increase from top to bottom. What about the non-metallic character? See, this non-metallic character means acceptance of electrons or formation of covalent bond. This non-metallic character is decreases in a group from top to bottom, because with the increase of atomic size, the nuclear power of attraction is decreases, so the electron acceptance capacity of element will decrease. So the non-metallic character is decreases from top to bottom in a groups.